Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, in this occasion, I'd like to explain you about how to use simple past tense with verb and to be and simple present tense of be. I'm also going to direct you how to improve your speaking skill by listening to a short story. Well, we use simple past tense to express an action or an activity which happens in the past. Well, the statement or the positive sentence of simple past tense is subject plus verb to. Well, it is the pattern of simple past tense. Well, to make it question, we use did and then plus subject plus verb 1. We can also use question words like what, when, why or how, and then followed by did plus subject plus verb 1. When we use to be in simple past tense, we use was or were. Well, we use was for I, he, she and it, and we use were for you, we and they. After to be, it is followed by adjective, noun and adverb. But in simple present tense, there are three kinds of be. They are am, is or are. We use am for I, and then we use is for he, she or it, and then we use are for you, we and they. Well, to make it negative, we use not after the to be, and then followed by adjective, noun and adverb. Well, to improve your speaking skill now, please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. I'm going to tell you a short story again about Frank Mitchum. Do you still remember Frank Mitchum? I hope so. Well, are you ready? Alright. When Frank Mitchum came out of the factory, he wasn't happy. The man didn't give Frank a job because he went to prison last month. He was very unhappy yesterday, and he is very unhappy today too. Alright? Now please listen again and repeat after me, sentence by sentence, to improve your speaking skill. When Frank came out of the factory, he wasn't very happy. The man didn't give Frank a job because Frank went to a prison last month. Well, he is very unhappy today, and he was unhappy yesterday too. Alright, do you still remember the story? Now please answer my questions. Was Frank happy when he came out of the factory? Did the man give Frank a job? When did Frank go to a prison? Is Frank very unhappy today? Was he unhappy yesterday too? Alright. Well, you should have partners to reproduce conversation and practice your English. Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.